Good morning, children. Today we are going to see science third lesson. The lesson name is plants. You all know what is a plants. In the whole lesson we are going to see about the plants and the parts of the plants and how they processing the food and how it's getting a green color and what are the features of the flowers, everything. First thing, all living things eat a food. So we all know the animals and the human beings all having their food, that is eating their food, but even the plants also eating their food. You know how it's with the help of chlorophyll, a pigment present in a leaves. So it's producing their own food by itself, and humans and animals depend on the plants for their food, maybe directly or indirectly. Animals will eat the direct leaf, but we cook the foods. So now we'll see the part of the leaves. So here is a one leaf picture, and look at there. The first part is apex. It's a corner, and you can see like a nerves. It's called a veins, and this one is a strong one. You can see this, right? It's a midrib, and this is called a blade, and this one is a petiole. First, the blade, the broad flat part of the leaf. So it's having a nothing, that's the leaf flat part, that's called a blade. Apex, that is the tip of the leaf, I showed you, right? Midrib runs along the center of the leaf. It's run the center of the leaf. And veins are branched out from the midrib. They are the framework of the hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. So veins is from the midrib, and it's a hollow one, and it carries a water and mineral to the leaves to grow. And petiole, the part joins the leaves to the main stem. It only helps to join the leaf and the stem. And one more part is stomata. Stomata are the tiny openings or pores mostly found at the base of the leaf. You have to turn back the leaf, and closely we can see the pores, that is the holes. Air enters and leaves the plant through this opening. Stomata helps the plant to breathe. Stomata are used to exchange gases. So if you turn back the leaf, you can see the stomata, that is nothing but the pores, that is the holes. Just look at our hands, we can see the pores here, but in summer days we can get a sweat, that is a wear why. So we get a sweat using the pores in our skin. Like that, the leaves also having the pores, that is a hole. Through this it will intake the gases, that is a carbon dioxide and gases into it, and helps to breathe. So the plants is also breathing and eating the food. And next topic we see in the next class.